Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Today, in this video tutorial, you will learn how to create your first contact form using the WPForms plugin. So let's get started with it. Before beginning with this tutorial, make sure to install, activate and verify the license of your WPForms. I have already installed and activated the WPForms Pro. I am sharing my affiliate link in the description. You guys can get it from there. Now, in your WordPress admin dashboard, hover onto WPForms and click on Add New. You can see various form templates that have been given here. So firstly, I will give my form a name. Now I will select a simple contact form template by clicking on Use Template. You can see some mandatory contact fields are already added here. You can simply add more fields from Add Field tab given on the left. Once done, simply click on Save. This will generate a shortcode for the form. So simply copy this shortcode and we will add this shortcode to a new page. To do that, hover on to Pages and click on Add New. Now I will give this page a title name and paste the code here. Make sure you are pasting the code under Code Editor. Once everything is in place, simply click on the Publish button. Now let's view the page and check the form in action. So you can see that a simple contact form has been added to our website. You can explore more templates on your own. And this is the way you can create your first form using WPForms. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.